part starts with one decision: the material. And trust me, it changes everything. Because when metal meets machine, each material has its own rules and its own challenges. Take titanium, for example. It's light, ultra-strong, and corrosion-resistant, a must for modern aircraft structures. But when it comes to machining, that's a whole different story. It traps heat, wears down tools fast, and requires slow speeds with massive torque. It's one of the toughest materials to machine. So, to handle titanium, you need heavy-duty machines, slow speeds, high torque, high-pressure coolant, rock-solid stability, and ultra-specific cutting tools. Then there's steel, the everyday hero. Common, versatile, reliable. It's strong, affordable, and widely used. But not all steels are created equally. A mild steel cuts beautifully, but a hardened steel, much tougher. It requires specialized tools and techniques. And then aluminum. It's light, easy to machine, and highly efficient. A dream material for aerospace production. It's perfect for high-volume, complex parts. But aluminum is heat-sensitive. It expands fast, so control is key.
Each material has its own story. Aluminium for lightweight performance, steel for strength and cost balance. Titanium, expensive yes, but unbeatable when you need both lightness and durability. It's especially used in aircraft because when you mix titanium with composite parts, you avoid what we call galvanic corrosion. Let's just say you don't want any surprise mid-flight. Every machining parameter matters. Design, material, and manufacturing are deeply connected. Choosing a material isn't just technical, it's also economical. A good material isn't just high performance, it has to make sense in production and in the budget.
So yes, each material has its own personality, its strengths, its limits, its surprises. And mastering them is what turns a simple block of metal into a high-performance part. Now that we've explored the materials, let's see how we shape them. In the next episode, we break down the main machining processes and the machines that make them possible. Big Moves continues.